So I brought my 1962 356S Super. I bought it about 5 years ago down in Southern California. Just as is, it was black actually when I originally got it. Started the restoration, took about 2 years to restore into its original color, Oslo blue and red interior. So now I'm here in Monterey at the Mecum auction 2018. First time I've been here selling a car, and the whole plus of it was my car was selected to be on the cover of the Friday catalog, so I was very excited. So I took this car to the Pacific Grove Little Car Show last year, where it won Best Paint and Best Interior. But they parked me underneath a fir tree, and about two or 3 hours into the show, people started noticing little white spots of sap all over the car. I mean, it was covered. I took the car home and actually didn't get to work on it until the next day. I pulled out the little sample of the 303 speed detailer that they gave me. It took the spots off, that took the sap off instantly. It was amazing. I've been using the 303 product, the speed detailer, for about a year, and very satisfied. It's an incredible product, very easy to use, and the shine just pops.